Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your YouTube app when it's not showing comments. So, the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for YouTube. Now, right over here where it says open, if yours says update, simply update the app and it will solve the problem in most of the cases. But if your app is up to date and it still does not show comment, what you can do is open YouTube and now check if you are logged into your Google account or not. Most of the times when you are not logged into your Google account, the comments will not show up, so that might be one of the causes of your problem. Now, even after you logged into your account, if your app is still showing the problem, you can turn off restricted mode, and to do that, go to your settings and then go to general. Now if you scroll down, you can see an option named restricted mode. If this is toggled on, you can simply tap here and it will toggle off. Now what restricted mode does is it will help to hide potentially mature videos, and for some cases this might be the problem causing your YouTube to not show comments. Now, even after following all of these steps, if your app is still showing the problem, there is one final way to solve the problem, and that is to clear cache and clear storage of your YouTube app, or in case of iOS, offloading the app. So to do that, go to your settings, then go to apps. Now scroll all the way down and then go to YouTube. Now you can try force stopping the app, and now go to your storage and cache. After that, clear the cache memory as well as clear the storage of your YouTube app. Now you'll have to re-log into your YouTube account, and once you've done these, your problem will definitely be solved. So that is how you solve YouTube not showing comments. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.